Hey, what's up guys? My name is Zaya from 48 Detailing. Hoping you guys are all having a great day. In today's video, we're gonna go over our level 3 exterior detailing package and see how it is the perfect package not only to clean, restore, but also protect your vehicle. Really hope you guys enjoy the video, and if you have any questions at all, make sure to reach out to us and we'd be more than happy to help.
Hello everyone and welcome to 48 Detailing. If you're new, we are one of the highest rated automotive detailing shops in the Phoenix, Arizona area, providing everything from paint correction, ceramic coatings, PPF, and window tinting. Besides that, we love posting educational videos like how-tos and reviews, so make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and if you haven't already, hit that notification button so you stay posted with all of our future content. Thank you so much and enjoy the rest of the video. We'll be performing our level 3 exterior detailing package on one of our customers' Porsche Cayennes. Now, as you can see, this Porsche is going to be a perfect example of what type of results your vehicle will get with our level 3 exterior detail. We first start off by thoroughly cleaning your rims, tires, wheel wells, and wheel arches. The combination of rim-safe cleaners and multiple detailing brushes allows us to thoroughly clean all the nooks and crannies of your rims, tires, and wheel wells. Furthermore, we make sure to also thoroughly clean the brushes being used after each rim and tire to make sure there's no cross-contamination throughout this cleaning process. After our technicians finish agitating the lower portions of your vehicle, we make sure to thoroughly rinse off the area from any dirt, grime, and cleaner. Then we move on to our pre-rinse process to go ahead and push off any heavy dirt and contamination from your paint and glass surfaces. We also treat your heavy impacted areas with bug guts, tar, and other contamination with a pH-neutral polymer cleaner. After your vehicle's pre-treatment, our technicians go ahead and prep up the 2-bucket wash method. This 2-bucket wash method in combination with our foam cannon and a pH-neutral soap solution is going to be the safest method to efficiently clean your vehicle from dirt and contamination. This foam treatment also provides the slickness necessary for our premium 70-30 blend Korean wash mitts to glide over your painted surfaces while safely agitating all that dirt and grime. Everything from your paint, glass, plastics, and even other inconspicuous areas such as emblems, door jambs, and also gas caps will be cleaned throughout this wash process. And of course, after each pass-through with a wash mitt, it is thoroughly cleaned in our rinse bucket, releasing all that dirt and grime, and then fresh soap solution is picked up from the wash bucket to go ahead and continue the complete hand wash. After the hand wash has been completed, we go ahead and rinse off all that soap residue and any leftover dirt and grime, prepping the vehicle for the next step of the process. After surface contamination has been removed from your vehicle, we go ahead and remove embedded contamination with a clay bar service. Now you have to think of your painted surfaces like skin. Even paint has pores and crevices where dirt and contamination can embed itself over time. The clay bar sticks onto that embedded contamination and pulls it out from your paint and glass, leaving your paint nice, slick, and smooth and prepping it for our next step of the level 3 exterior detailing package. Our technicians then move on to drying your paint and glass, again using the highest quality 70-30 blend Korean microfiber towels. They then go ahead and blow out all the nooks and crannies of your vehicle, ensuring a spot-free drying experience. After your vehicle has been completely dried, we go ahead and provide a brief paint inspection with our inspection lights and then move on to providing your vehicle a light polish, or what we like to call a paint enhancement. Now, the paint enhancement is a process of using a very light polymer-infused abrasive on your painted surfaces. It removes a very light to minor marring and scratching from your vehicle's paint, all while enhancing the gloss and shine and adding a primer layer of protection, getting it ready for our sealant application later in our level 3 exterior detailing process. Now, if you're looking for complete swirl mark removal or heavy to medium scratch removal, we recommend checking out our paint correction processes, which include the 1-step and 2-step paint correction. Now, after the paint enhancement process is completed, you will notice a huge difference in depth, gloss, and shine of your vehicle. Not only does it change the depth, gloss, and shine, but it also primes the surface for our polymer sealant application, which provides your vehicle another 3+ months worth of polymer protection and gloss. We then make sure to dress your tires and plastics with a water-based UV protectant and restorer, and then last but not least, we make sure to clean your glass and door jambs. And if you're looking for even more protection on your paint, make sure to check out our ceramic coating options, starting anywhere from 1 year worth of durability all the way up to a lifetime worth of warranted protection.
All right, guys, I really hope you enjoyed the video about our level 3 exterior detailing package. If you enjoyed it, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. And if you have any questions at all, go ahead and throw them in the comment section below, or give us a call if you have any questions or would like to schedule your appointment. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope you guys all have a great rest of the day.